Here we have an update on the 1966 F100, getting the Raptor crate engine and the 10R80 automatic. You can see it's been sitting almost 2 years. It's covered in dust, but nevertheless, here's the engine bay. We have the wiring pretty much all figured out now. Have the PCM mounted here, battery junction box, the battery, which we had to rotate 90 degrees to get it to clear the radiator. Got a little bit of wiring up here for the bypass for the intercooler. There's a little cover we'll be putting over here. Got a little bit of fitting yet to do, but to hide the AC lines. And we have both the pancake type filter cooler that's right directly from the Raptor. And we have the new intercooler, and then we have the auxiliary transmission cooler up here, so should keep it real good. We have the AC condenser, anew from the Raptor, the radiator, the cooling fans, overflow, pretty much every single component from the Raptor. We got everything to fit in the engine bay now without having to modify any of the frame or cab. We had to modify, of course, the aprons a little bit. And then on the other side, we have even the vacuum line. Had to change the fitting in the 77 F-150 booster. I have the vacuum line, the Eco vacuum line to plug right in. And then we have the stock air box. We have everything that would be smog legal, so everything is on it, including the evap system. We've added power steering to it. We have all of the rest of the hoses. This one here is not connected yet, but we have it all fitting in there. The air cleaner. We're building this oval tube out of a Eco drive shaft coming out the front, and then we'll flare the end here so it has a nice airflow going in, so we'll have actually a functional ram air. Still got some truck wiring to do, but here's the billet bear with the adjustable proportioning rod. We have a 16:1 redhead steering gearbox in it. We're using the stock column. Here we have a little bit of wiring mess. So we're using the 2018 cluster. We have the factory automatic shifter indicator operating the 10R80. On the other side, we're adding AC. And we have the BCM body control module fitted into the glove box area. So we'll have to make a custom glove box liner. The stock AM radio has been converted with Bluetooth. So we're kind of getting there, but it's still a fair amount of work left to do.